Hi, I'm Tim Rhif, Music Director of the Allowed Choirs, and together with the Wales Millennium Centre and Cardiff Council, we're planning a huge sing-along event on the 27th of August to celebrate the Paralympic Flame Festival. It's going to be an amazing event, so come along and have a great big sing down in the Oval Basin in Cardiff. We're going to be using what must be the biggest auto cue in the whole wide world. The words on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre itself, Gwyneth Lewis's text, In These Stones, Horizons Sing, the inspiration for Carl Jenkins's piece of the same name. I've been joined by 7 actors from Theatr Genedlaethol Cymru who are currently performing their version of The Tempest. So they've dropped in the middle of performances to help us teach you how to sing this piece. The way this is going to work is that I'm going to teach you the song in 4 easy bite-sized chunks, 4 sections that on the night I will tell you which section we're going to do when, and eventually it'll create a whole piece of music, and with everyone filling that oval basin will make a great sound. So keep watching, learn the piece of music and turn up and have a great sing. So this is In These Stones, Horizons Sing, section 1. Okay, so it goes like this, lads. In these stones, horizons sing, horizons sing, horizons sing. That's it. In these stones, horizons sing, horizons sing, horizons sing. In these stones, horizons sing, horizons sing, horizons sing. Done our section 1. Now we're moving on to section 2. Okay, so it goes like this, guys. Very easy words. In sing, 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 sing. 3. In sing, 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 sing. The first time that section comes, section 2, we do it exactly like that. But the second and third time, we do the last 2 bars once again. So it sounds like this. And 1, sing, 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 sing. Again, really easy. 3, 4, sing, 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 sing. Moving on to the next section now, so section 3, a symud ymlaen I section Gymraeg. Defnyddio'r geiriau Gymraeg ar y ffrynt o'r adeilad. So, creu gwir fel gwydyr o ffwrnais awen, yn swno fel hon. Creu gwir fel gwydyr o ffwrnais awen. Creu gwir fel gwydyr o ffwrnais. Creu gwir fel gwydyr o ffwrnais awen. Exactly the same as section 2. When we extended it, we do the same thing with section 3. So we'd have 2 ffwrnaises. So it goes like this. Creu gwir fel gwydyr o ffwrnais, ffwrnais. The second time it comes, we do that. Creu gwir fel gwydyr o ffwrnais, ffwrnais. So that's sections 1, 2, and 3 learned. Just one more to go, and that's section 4, all on one word, awen. And it sounds like this. Awen, awen. Then we have a conversation on the word awen between the lower part and the upper part. So the lower part begins first and they go awen. And then the upper part just copy it. Awen. Do that for me, please, boys. 3, awen, awen. And the end of this section, which is the most complicated bit, but it's very short, goes like this. For the basses and the altos. Awen. Ar ôl chi, boys, please. Awen. A rhan tenor yw awen. Gyda fi, please, boys. 3, awen. Great. Now, pawb gyda'ch gilydd, please. 3, awen. Okay, and now the whole of this section sung by our actors from Theatr Genedlaethol. What means that you're in Cardiff at the moment? Are you performing with Theatr Genedlaethol Cymru, performing in the area at the moment?
We're currently performing at the Eisteddfod for this week, and then as of the 18th of September we're going to be in Carmarthen performing, and then on the first week of October we're going to be up at the Faenol Estate up in Bangor.
And what is it exactly that you're performing at the moment?
We're performing Gwyneth Lewis's translation of Shakespeare's The Tempest, which is Astorum in Welsh.
Section 2. Section 1 again.